been an interesting and intriguing move, really, on the part of Vice President of India, Jagdeep Dhankar. There were meetings that were held yesterday even with the opposition. Now the government has come out and clarified, JP Nadda saying that whatever I said in the Rajya Sabha was not against the Vice President. That's a clarification coming in. The BJP chief thrashing the charge that is being made by the principal opposition here, the Congress, saying that the government had insulted him. And that's the reason why he's stepping down. This is what is now being said by the Congress party. That also there was a meeting and that the party, the government in fact had no representation, and that's the reason why perhaps the Vice President of the country is upset. Now this is the remark that JP Nadda is actually referring to when he issued that clarification. This is what he had said.
आपके परमिशन से लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन को रूल 267 पर, और मैं यह भी बताना चाहता हूं कि आज दिन तक आजादी के बाद इस तरीके का ऑपरेशन नहीं हुआ जो प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में हुआ है। आई एम नॉट गोइंग इनटू द डिटेल्स ऑफ इट, बट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू, अरे गुस्सा मत करो भैया, अरे गुस्सा मत करो, नथिंग विल गो ऑन रिकॉर्ड, व्हाटएवर आई विल से दैट विल गो ऑन रिकॉर्ड। और मैं यह भी बताना चाहता हूं कि आज दिन तक आजादी के बाद इस तरीके का ऑपरेशन नहीं हुआ जो प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में हुआ है। आई एम नॉट गोइंग इनटू द डिटेल्स ऑफ इट, बट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू, अरे गुस्सा मत करो भैया, अरे गुस्सा मत करो, nothing will go on record, whatever I will say that will go on record, you should know.